Hello Year 7. If I haven't had the chance to introduce myself to you properly yet, my name is Mr. Hunter and I'm part of the Year 7 team leading on welfare and progress. And I'd like to just start today by saying how impressed we've been by so many of you for the way that you have started this year. It's been an unusual set of circumstances, but it's been so great to see so many of you just getting stuck in to your lessons, and just the general buzz around the place is fantastic, and we are, as I said, really impressed. The main thing I want to talk to you today about is welfare and looking after yourself, particularly when things don't quite go to plan, or maybe things aren't so great. And there are lots and lots of ways in which we all do this. For example, if you hurt yourself physically, you might take measures to try and heal yourself. If you are unwell, you might take medicine or something to help yourself feel better. And then there's this one, mental health, and that's the main thing I really want to focus on. To others, mental health isn't always as visible as physical health. However, much like you would take measures to take care of yourself if you had a cold by getting lots of rest and taking some medicine, as I said, it is also important to look after your emotional needs. Indeed, it is just as important as physical health, especially in this time of great transition and change for all of us. Now, the wonderful thing about our Three Rivers family is that you don't have to deal with everything alone. There are lots of people on hand here to help you if you're already struggling. You have your first points of call, your tutor. They see you every day and perhaps will know you better than anyone else on the staff. They are there to help you and put your welfare first. So do go and speak to them if you're struggling. As well as them, you also have our fantastic Year 7 team and the whole staff body. And I'd like to make it clear that it is okay to not be okay. By that I mean that if you're worried about something, tell us, and together we can come up with some strategies to help you stay healthy. Some of the other support networks that you may want to be aware of include, and if you need to talk to someone about LGBTQ+ related issues, you have this group of staff here who are on hand to help you, which includes myself, as well as lots and lots of other support mechanisms around the school to help you if you are struggling. If you feel like you need to talk to someone outside of the school environment, there is Children and Family Health Surrey, which you can see the number for there on the screen, 07507329951. Just text them about any of the problems that you can see there, or anything else that you're particularly worried about. And there are also various other agencies that you can use in your own time, such as Childline, Young Minds, Stonewall, Beat Bullying Cyber Mentors, the CEOP with the police, as well as youth workers. And the final thing I want to say is, once again, well done. You've almost managed your first full week in school, and we, and by we I mean the entire school staff, have been really impressed by so much of what we've seen from this year group. So keep up the good work, but remember, we are here to support you if you need us.